The public debt Y in billions of dollars of the United States from 2000 through 2014 can be approximated by the quadratic equation y equals 57.53x squared minus 72.93x plus 3,417, where x equals 0 represents 2000, x equals 1 represents 2001, and so on. Use the model to estimate the public debt to the nearest $1 billion in the year 2018. In our model, x equals 0 represents 2000, x equals 1 represents 2001, and so on. So the year 2018 will be represented by x equals 18. To use the model to estimate the debt in billions, we will in the year 2018, we'll substitute 18 for x. We have y equals 57.53 times 18 squared minus 72.93 times 18 plus 3,417. Evaluating the exponent first, we have 57.53 times 324 minus 72.93 times 18 plus 3,417. Now multiplying in the first two terms, we have y equals 18,639.72 minus 1,312.74 plus 3,417. Performing the subtraction and the addition, we have y equals 20,743.98. Therefore, the model predicts that the public debt to the nearest $1 billion in the year 2018 will be approximately $20,743.98. Therefore, rounding to the nearest $1 billion, the model predicts that the public debt in 2018 will be approximately $20,744 billion.